Hi everyone, I'm Ray Deshays. I'm here today because I'm sure that you, like me, are concerned about the coronavirus pandemic that's been sweeping the globe lately. Because of that, like me, you're probably watching a lot of news trying to keep track of the latest developments and the latest scientific discoveries about the coronavirus. Now, for many of you, it's probably been many years since you took biology. And so keeping track of all those developments and understanding the science can be quite challenging at times. What I'm going to try to do in a series of relatively short lectures is to give you some basis in a very straightforward way for understanding the coronavirus, how it works, and how our bodies try to fight it. So I'm going to cover, first of all, what viruses are, and in particular, what's the coronavirus and what's its structure. Then I'm going to cover how the coronavirus gets into cells and takes over cells so that they manufacture more virus. Then I'll cover how our immune system tries to fight the virus to protect us. And finally, what are various therapies that one could imagine that would fight a viral infection or potentially prevent one from getting infected, period. I look forward to doing these lectures over the next few days, and I hope you enjoy them. Have a good day, and thanks for your attention.